Here's a nice gentleman on YouTube, retired at 36 years of age and spent 20 years sailing. Congratulations. But it brings me to a question. Why does everybody who sails sail in a sailboat? Why doesn't someone sail in a submarine? You got to be able to buy a used submarine somewhere instead of in a sailboat. Well, what would be the advantage of sailing in a submarine? Huge advantage. When the hurricane comes, you just submerge and stay down there for a day or two until you think the hurricane has passed. Or you can come up and just put your periscope up and see if the waves are still beating. If the waves are still beating, go right back down. So I'm saying, or I'm advocating, why doesn't somebody sail in a submarine? Much safer.